Chili morita and tomatillo salsa. First, you're going to peel, wash, and roast your tomatillos. Now, you can do them alongside your peppers like we did here, but we realized that in the end, the peppers will get dry again. So we put them back into the pot after we took out our tomatillos and made them soft again to use in our salsa. They need to be this soft because they need to turn into a paste when you grind it with the garlic and salt. See how they inflate? Keep flipping your tomatillos and try roasting them on all sides. Add chili, garlic, and salt to a mortar and pestle and turn it into a paste and set it aside. Once tomatillos are roasted and soft, it's time to put them into the blender. You can also use a large mortar and pestle, which would be more traditional. Add your paste to the blender and pulse until you get the consistency you like. Finish off with chopped cilantro and onions. We find that you can eat the salsa with actually quite a few things. You can put it on your plate, you can put it in tacos, or you can just eat it with chips like we're doing right here. We hope you try this beautiful traditional recipe because it really gives you a taste of the real Mexico.